Hello everyone. InnoventX welcomes you on the platform of TBT, task-based training, which will be helpful for enhancing your knowledge about robotics, which we have gained in your robotic workshop. This video will be helpful for completion of your task 1.2, which is vary the speed of blinking of an LED with the help of potentiometer. Now let's go with the introduction of potentiometer. For that, you have to make a new circuit diagram in your TinkerCAD. You can see on the screen, I have already made a default circuit for your explanation. Right now, I have connected a breadboard with an Arduino and extended the power supply as well as the ground component to the breadboard. Now, we are going to search a component named potentiometer. You can see potentiometer is a device which is having three terminals. One is terminal 1, second is wiper, and the third one is terminal 2. Now we are going to discuss a brief detail about potentiometer. Basically, potentiometer is an electronic device which will help to vary the resistance value. By clicking on it, we can know that its default value is 250 kilo ohm. We can vary the resistor value by rotating the shaft given at the top of it. Let's relate this potentiometer in our practical life. When we have to volume up or down the sound of the car tap, we just rotate its bar. Similarly, if we have to change the value of resistor, we have to rotate this topmost shaft of the potentiometer. Now, we are going to discuss about the connection of the potentiometer. The leftmost terminal of the potentiometer should be connected to ground. For simplicity, I am coloring it black. Once again, the terminal 1 of the potentiometer is connected to ground. The rightmost terminal of the potentiometer, that is terminal 2, should be connected to the 5 volt power supply given by the Arduino. I am coloring it red. Now we are left with the third and the centermost pin of the potentiometer known as wiper. Basically, potentiometer is an input device which helps us to vary the change of resistance. We are connecting this wiper pin to the analog pin of the Arduino. Here on the screen you can see that there are 6 analog pins A0 to A5 given in the Arduino board. We are connecting the wiper pin of the potentiometer to the A0 pin of the Arduino. Let's color it blue for a better understanding. Now we are done with the connection. Now how we get the value of potentiometer? For that we have to code it over here. As we have discussed earlier that potentiometer is an input device, so we have to declare a variable for that. To get the variable for potentiometer, we have to declare a variable. Here on the screen you can see a purple button and followed by a text return variable. Click on it. You are again seeing a button create variable. Click on it again. Now we have to vary the speed of LED, so just name it speed. Such three blocks will be obtained on your screen. Now we have to take the input from the potentiometer. So we have to take this block read analog pin and just paste it in this block. So first of all we will drag this variable block and let it the variable name speed. Now going to the input button, we will drag the block whose name is read analog pin and will paste to the earlier block we have dragged. You have to change the pin number from A0 to A5 where you have connected your potentiometer's wiper pin. Right now I have connected my wiper pin to analog A0 pin, so I am selecting A0. Now to get the value of the speed, I have to display it on the serial monitor. For getting it, we have to go to the output button given in the blocks. You can see a block over here whose name is print to serial monitor hello world. Just drag and drop to the coding area. Here you can see that a default value hello world is written over there. Now you have to again drag and drop the variable name speed from here. Just drag that speed to hello world. Now what this code signifies is, in the variable name speed, the value given by the potentiometer is to be stored. Now for getting the speed variable, we are using this block named print to serial monitor. Now how to watch the output of the serial monitor? You can see below the screen that a serial monitor option is given. Just click on it, a output bar will be shown. Now let's simulate this program and observe the output in the serial monitor. I am just starting the start simulation. You can see that a numerical 0 is derived over here. Now for changing the value, we have to rotate the shaft given on the top of the potentiometer. Just by rotating it, you can observe the change in the serial monitor. Right now I am rotating from left to right, so the value is increasing, and the highest value that we can attain from this potentiometer is 1023. You can observe the output in the serial monitor. Here I am reducing the speed to 0. You can relate this problem with the changing the sound volume in your car tape. This video will be helpful for completing your task 1.2. Thank you.